If you want to customize the lock screen on OPPO Reno 15 Pro, what you can do is you can go to settings. Over here in settings, we're going to choose home screen, lock screen, and style. And before we start customizing the lock screen, what you can do is you can choose the lock screen style or the flux theme. So over here, as you scroll through these themes, you can see that we have different styles for different clocks with different wallpapers and such. So you can start with that, and then of course you can change the wallpaper and make some further adjustments. But once you decide which theme you want to use, you cannot really change that much with the clock. Of course, there is still some customization options. There are some options available for the clock, but you cannot, for example, make it that big or even that huge clock once you, of course, decide, unless, of course, you switch the theme back again. And once you decide which theme you want to use, then of course we can tap on that theme in order to start customizing. Over here we have the customization of the lock screen, where we have the clock, which allows us to add additional info over here. This might actually depend on the style of the clock, because in some cases this might not be available. We have some options regarding the position of the clock. We have the clock font style. We can adjust the thickness and also color for the clock. Besides that, we can of course zoom in and zoom out with our wallpaper. You can use two fingers in order to move left and right in case it is zoomed in. Also at the bottom we have shortcuts. You can tap over here to adjust the left and the right shortcut on the lock screen. At the bottom we can also find the style, which allows you to apply the blur effect and some additional effects over here. And you can also toggle enlarge wallpaper, which allows you to extend, for example, some area to make it look better, at least in theory. And in some cases, if the phone can detect that there is like a clear object or person or whatever in front of the clock, or could it be in front of the clock, like this one over here, and then of course we can use the depth effect that allows us to hide the clock behind that object or person. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.